Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted Snapchat memories on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Snapchat, obviously, go to your profile here. And then what you will have to do is go to your settings right here. Now on your settings, what you will have to do is you will have to basically scroll down just a little bit right here. And what we're looking for is we are looking for my data basically. So we go here and we have to go to my data. So let's see which, here my data, it's above the log out. So go to my data and then we'll have to log in. Here we will have to go in and basically copy paste our our address and email right here, log in like that. And then here, as you can see, you will have my data. So you will have to scroll down just a little bit here. And as you can see, we have to confirm our email address. So let's go here. Let's select all, copy, and basically we can paste here also. Click paste. And then we can obviously click on the, the month. I'm sorry. So click on the month that we want, and then we can submit request. Now what this will do is this will submit basically request for exporting all of our data on Snapchat, and we'll be able to basically get memories and all the other stuff recovered from on our iPhone, right? So that's pretty much how it works. Again, this is this is basically one of single solutions, but there are many solutions out there, right, for this. But this is one of the solutions that works really well for all iPhone users. And also you will see here what you're exporting, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.